Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be unboxing the MM8077. This is the 7-channel amp from Marantz. We're pairing this with the 7705 pre-amplifier. Separates powering up a klipsch system in the RC64s and the RF7s towers. There. This is a great amplifier, give you the juice that you need to really maximize your performance. You got the manual here. It comes with a RCA cable. Power cord. As always with Marantz, very clean finish, nice modern look here on the front of the unit. Even the finishes on the screws, you can see they're nice gold plated. Let's see what we got here on the front. Oh, there is no access panel. That's on the preamp, so you just have the little digital display, and then on and off power. And then you can see their advertisement here on the front, 7-channel, 150 watts per channel, 7-channel XLR. And then let's look at the back. So you have a few different connections here. You can use your unbalanced or balanced connections, channel 1 through 7, as well as it has IR control in and out, and remote in and out. And then your speaker out connections right here. We're going to be using the balanced XLRs for the absolute best connection. And for cabling, do not forget, you want to use the best cabling available. We're going to be using the tributary XLR cables to go between the units. Very nice receiver at a reasonable price point. We are a Marantz dealer, as well as a dealer for many other custom integrator products. For pricing or questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.